Hello. So I made a Chrome extension, Chrome, Google Chrome extension. This is the first time I made one. I published it on the Google Web Store, Play Store. So this extension has been made because on Builderall, since about 2 months ago, started to have a pop-up in the affiliate area which says promote with your own domain name, to associate a domain name in the affiliate area, so our affiliate links will have this domain. So this I tried 2 years ago, and for 3 weeks it was full of problems with SSL certificates. Then it was getting nowhere, so I removed it and I used redirects from my own domain name to redirect to the standard default affiliate links of Builderall, and it works fine. It's fine this way. And I saw in the years, I saw people complaining about problems with SSL, and always it was because they associated a domain name, and then, you know, do you understand? It's not foolproof. I mean, there was problem with SSL. When someone realizes he has a problem, it's maybe 5% of people or 1% will realize that there is a problem with SSL on their links, and sometimes it works fine, and then there is a problem. So anyway, this is not good. I don't want to associate a domain name in Builderall anymore. I have been vaccinated against it. But 2 months ago, up this pop-up comes, and there is no button for to say that never show this pop-up again. I have made my decision. I don't want to associate the domain. No, this pop-up comes every page load. When you are in this area, every time you change a page, you have the pop-up. You have the pop-up. All you can do is put a domain or close this pop-up. So either it is mandatory now, so it should be clear, and this pop-up cannot be closed. You cannot access the affiliate area. You cannot have your default link. Okay, so do that if it's mandatory. But here it's like a choice. You have the choice to close this window and use the standard links. So I make this choice, and in return, what do I have? I am punished. Well, yes, because I have to be annoyed by this pop-up. And I thought it was a bug, a mistake. They forgot. So I asked support over 1 month ago, and no reply. Just say, we gave the suggestion, thank you. So 1 month, I asked again, so what's up with this? Every day I'm annoyed by this. And they said, no, in fact, we ask, and there will not be this button. So it means it's on purpose, it's intentional to do this. So I give you a choice, and if you make the wrong one, I will annoy you to death with this pop-up because you make the wrong one until you submit and you make the good choice. What is this? Okay, we are not the children, so please. Anyway, that's the way it is, really, because I made this extension for me. Okay, so now every time it opens this pop-up, the extension will close it immediately, so I don't have to do it myself. And so I made the mistake of, I knew that there was something wrong. I made a mistake of talking about it on the Builderall group. I just say, I made this, so if others are in my case, so they don't want to associate the domain, and they are annoyed by this pop-up, so they can install this extension. But my post has been removed because, as I said, it is intentional to do this, but they don't want to make it mandatory, but they want to do it. So he told me, the CEO told me not to promote this extension to other users, and removed my post. That's it. That's the way it is. Wow. I don't like this. If you want it mandatory, do it mandatory. You know, it's simple. You have the right to do it mandatory. If you don't want people to promote without their domain, then you say so. You say, from now on, you have to associate the domain, or you can't be an affiliate. End of story. This is clear message, okay? Don't pretend to give a choice. You know, in the meantime, you can close this pop-up and you can have access to the default links. So it means that you are giving the choice to others, to people, and you punish them when they make this choice. What is this logic? Please, so if someone can explain, what is this logic? You give a choice and you punish the one who makes the wrong choice until they submit to your will and they make the good choice. In this case, just give them one choice, associate a domain, or go away. You know, this is a clear message, not the way it is at the moment. So if you want this extension, you can search for it. I will not promote it in any way because, you know, I don't want problems with Builder CEO. What I don't want to be banned. So I won't promote it, and it's free. So you can search for it, and you will find it's free. So what do I care about it? I don't care. But just this video, as you can see, this video, you think, oh, he's talking bad about Builder. Not at all. I'm just talking about something, and it's the video from today. Maybe I will do another one today, or 2 or 3, and tomorrow. But this video is good because in the description you can find a link to Builder. You know, don't think, oh, this is horrible, I will not take a Builder for this. If you don't have Builder, take it and associate a domain name to your affiliate area. You know, it's your choice. It means it's good. If it works, fine. Maybe now it works fine. I don't know for SSL certificate. I don't know. I don't want to try it anymore. I have my links already. I have redirect with the default links. I want to stay like this. I don't want to change just because he decided 2 months ago that people should change or to put this annoying pop-up. That's not a good enough reason for me to change now and invest the time, change the links, many things for nothing. But you, if you want, you can start. You associate a domain name. If everything works, SSL certificate, then it's fine. That's it. Finish. It's the same. But the software itself, Builderall with Cheetah and things like this, that you can try it and you will see it's good. It's good. This is not a problem really. It's not a problem. Okay, they don't want. Oh, I make an extension. It was the occasion for me to make a Chrome extension for the first time. I even paid $5 to have a developer account in Chrome. So I made this first extension. Maybe now I want to make a second one, more useful, more for my own websites. So you know, it was good for me. Otherwise, I would not have done it. I don't care. You know, this pop-up is very easy to close. You just have to click anywhere outside or on the cross. It disappears. It's just annoying. That's it. And just to search how to do an extension to remove this pop-up on those pages only, so the extension doesn't run on all the pages that you are browsing. So this was interesting technically to do, and that's why I spent a few hours on it. As an experience, it's good for me, but it doesn't matter. You know, if you want to talk bad about Builder, there are other things to talk about than this. If you want, you can find topics, but also you can see the good side of Builder with the tools they have and things like this. So videos, you can do a lot, good, bad, average, just showing things or talking about something else than Builder, and still having your affiliate links in the description of the video, such as this one. Okay, it's talking about a topic that nobody cares about because I think most affiliates will just associate a domain name and be done with it. So this video is useless. And for those who don't associate domain name, maybe they will eventually, or they just bear with it and they close the window. I have seen the #1 affiliate. His name is James Neville Taylor. I've seen in this video that he hasn't associated domain name, so he's closing this window when he shows how to go to a funnel club. This is funny, you know, #1 and others top affiliates don't have associated a domain name, and maybe they don't want. They have reasons. Me, I have other reasons, and I won't even talk about it. But it's good enough reasons. It will be nice not to have a domain name for most people. With just the affiliate ID, you can make a system and things like this. So it's very well, that's life. Okay, now this video is finished. Bye bye.
Look, Hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need's Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, they came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builderall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site or click map your fans. See the pages they like or use the video wrap or capture their sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need's Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click and knew I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A Builderall rock star is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builderall's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need's Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.